previous video, we have shown you how to install the menu, how to install the NCA toolkits. By now, you should have it running. And if you don't have it running, wow, good luck. You can check the video again. So I'm going to explain to you again. Before you need your NCA toolkit to running, your menu must be running because that is where you are going to get the access key and the bucket name. Okay. So for NCA toolkit, there is no GUI, which means there is no interface because it's an API endpoint. Okay. Now we are going to install what we call the base role. What we call what? The base role. So now Kokoro TSS, guys, Kokoro TSS. So if you want to install the GPU version, you have to have your GPU running just like mine before you can install, and it costs you 20 gig to install. As you can see, this is the fast GPU. And make sure you install this one 2.2, or you're going to have an issue if you don't install 2.2 0.22 because it's going to run it slow. For CPU version, you are going to run this, and for you can run the one on your VPS. You want to run it on um your Docker desktop. It's still the same way to run it. There is nothing wrong here, but maybe make sure you keep your IP address safe. So here's what we are going to run it. Just go here and type it docker run pss kokoro as GPU. So it's going to pull the image. And how can you access it? So how can you access it? You can access the Kokoro with your IP address and this, okay? But the API might give you an issue because you have to run in sometimes. So that is how you can install the Kokoro, okay? And for you to access it, just click on it will already create a container for you after. So let me just click on run and give you the overview of how the Kokoro is going to look like. See, it's rolling. After it roll finish, it's going to actually run, and after this time has run finish, it's going to show you some model that has been running. Okay, you can access whatever. Don't delete the image. You can delete but don't delete the container. You have to start again. So just want to leave this one for now, and let's go and see what Kokoro we are running on. So you can either use what we call the host API, this one, okay, slash web. I think they mean slash web to be able to run this thing internally. Um, just copy, just copy this. Just copy this. It's going to show you the Kokoro. And if you are the one that is using VPS, just copy your IP address and replace it here and hit in slash web. If you want to access the Docker, it's going to even show you here if you want to access it, as you can see. So this is it. This is the application. This is the web, and this is the we also have the API running, blah blah blah, like that. So let us load it again. Load this one again. If this one is not running, just go here, the localhost slash web. If you are running on VPS, like I said, if you are running this thing on your VPS, if this one is not going, as you can see, this is not going through, then you should use your localhost, your IP address, as you can see. So if we copy some words here, let's copy some words here and paste it here. Just paste it here, okay. Let's select any voice because this is what we are going to need, and I'm going to select, I think this thing is even updated. Let's choose I love to use Adam, and let us generate the speech. This is how the Kokoro is going to look like. So as you can see, it's showing you the way you can generate it, and we can even play it here to hear how it sounds. And we have the autoplay. You can, so preparing, let's play it. Okay, so it's not, I think you're supposed to play it here. I'm using the, supposed to play it here. Only when you don't have this thing, it doesn't play. But let us download it first and see the reason. So listen to it.
from counting words and characters, our online editor can help you to improve word choice and writing style, and optionally help you to detect grammar mistakes and plagiarism. To check word count, simply place your cursor into the text box above and start typing. You'll see the number of characters and words increase or decrease as you type, delete, and edit them. You can also copy and paste text from another program over into the online editor above. The autosave feature will make sure you won't lose any changes while.
So that is it for the Kokoro. And if you want to access the API endpoints, this is what we are going to ask to go to. As it is docs. I think you are going to go to docs, so you are going to see the API endpoint and how you can use it. Okay, so this is the Kokoro API endpoint. As you can see, most of you that are developers will already know how this thing works. Okay, list of models, list of name. You should already know how this thing is working though. So I think we are done with that one. And like I said, if you are running it on your VPS, you just need your IP address plus this, and it's going to show up. Okay, so that is it for now. Thank you for watching. Do have a nice day. And the next video, I'm going to show you how to run the base row. Base row, this is so important because this is going to be our storage. This is going to replace Google Sheet. This is going to replace Supabase. This is going to replace the Firebase. Okay, because this is where we need an important information to store it, and you have to be hosting it yourself. You don't have to pay anything for this, and this is a UI. Okay, so thank you for watching, and do have a nice day.